Well, hey, it's Gio here, and welcome to room 15 here at Alexander's Guesthouse in Key West. I'm going to give you a quick room tour, and then I'll take you around the grounds of this beautiful resort. So, as you can see, the room is behind me, so hang tight and I'll take you around.
Okay, I'm here too. I'm just doing some work, sitting in this very comfortable couch.
We are doing a little work from home, a little work staycation, as they say. A couple days of work and a lot more play. But so the cool thing about this room is it's an elevated room, so it's on the second story, and it's in a separate building than the main house. And it's the only room up on the floor, so I'll take you out on the little balcony, which is very nice and private and secure. This is the beautiful balcony terrace, and you got these two high chairs and a couple low chairs over here with a table. And again, this is the entrance to room 15. It's really, really nice. I like the little stained glass window above. And it's very private up here because we have this bamboo. And it overlooks the pool area, the hot tub and the pool. One of the things I really like about this little terrace is that it's private and you get some nice shade during the day because it does get hot here in Key West. So let's look around the room. When you first walk in the room, you are greeted with the giant king-size bed, and it's a beautiful four-poster bed. Very, very nice. And if you look over here to the left, you have this very, very spacious and comfortable couch. Juan Carlos, he's sitting over there. I particularly love the artwork. Don't you, Amor? Have you given her a name yet? What should we call her? Chanchita? Okay. We will forever call her Chanchita, the Chancho. But yeah, so you get the beautiful couch. Those big giant pillows, by the way, are from the bed. We just moved them over. The room comes with this little ottoman, which actually opens up for storage, and we are using it. And you get a little ice bucket with a couple glasses and a little wine opener. As far as storage is concerned, let's talk about that. You have the two nightstands with 3 drawers. That's it for drawer space in the room. And then I'll pan around. You have this really beautiful giant mirror. TV. The TV situation here, just FYI, you get Hulu for your regular TV and Netflix. So it's a Roku system, so you can always connect your own devices. Nice little working desk where I've been doing a little work. This other mirrored cabinet, half of it, I'm going to take you in and show you. This is kind of like a little kitchenette. So you have a refrigerator, small refrigerator, coffee maker, microwave, and a safe. And then those little shelves up above. And then to the right of that, boop, sorry for the loudness. And then just to the right, you can see you have extra pillows, hanging space, one small shelf down here, and there's some extra towels, pool towels, etc. Alright, don't worry, no zebras were injured in the making of this video, but you do have the zebra print carpet on the floor. Did you like that, Amor? Was that funny?
It's fun.
It is fun. So yeah, overall the room is great. You can see up above there, actually this room has 2 air conditioning units. The one up above the bed, you have a remote control that handles that, and it works really, really well. So that's a good thing.
That's why I'm wearing my sweater, because he's freezing.
I'm freezing him out. All right, let's go check out the bathroom. You can see very spacious. You have a single vanity, but what they've done is they've added these shelves on the wall, which is nice because you can see we are filling them up. And the resort comes with its own pump bottles, so you get some lotion, some body lotion, and liquid hand soap next to the sink. You do get this little flashlight, which is great if the power goes out. And it's a dimmable light in the bathroom. And there's a fan there. The nice thing about this is this big walk-in shower. Check this out. And it has decent water pressure. Is it the best water pressure in the world? No, but it is decent. Gets the job done. And then you get these other soaps that smell really, really nice, by the way. It's like a papaya type smell. So you got the shampoo, conditioner, and your shower gel. Can you tell we're at a gay resort? La Cage aux Folles. So anyway, just very comfortable space. Definitely a great room for several days. You do have storage under the sink too. We're using it, and there's a drawer at the bottom that has your hair dryer. Behind the door here, you do have ironing board, iron. And since this is a guest house, the great thing is there is a full working kitchen downstairs off the main lobby, and the resort does give you a fresh breakfast every morning with a different hot item, which is nice. They have an afternoon cocktail hour with some free drinks at the bar. Super nice. And I'll take you next for a tour of the grounds, so stay tuned. Immediately as you enter Alexander's, you are greeted with the beautiful rainbow flag in this gorgeous entryway to the guest house. The front porch is very inviting and relaxing. A great place to hang out. When you first enter, you're immediately greeted with this beautiful little sitting room. There's a computer available for guests as well as a printer. A few little sundries that you can pick out, little gifts if you will. It's a great inviting space. In this little seating area in the main salon is a great place to gather in the mornings or afternoons, get out of the heat. You have beautiful artwork on the walls here, all available if you want to purchase it. Lots of books if you want to read. There's also games available. It's just a great inviting space to hang out, gather with friends, and enjoy. They even have an old retro photo album. The resort has been here since the 1980s, so it's kind of cool to see the nostalgia old photos. This was perhaps our favorite spot because every morning you have a nice hot breakfast waiting for you with hot piping, great coffee that happens to be from Costa Rica, and it sits right next to the pool area. You have a beautiful hot tub and a main pool area to hang out and relax and escape the heat of the Florida sun in that beautiful, beautiful, refreshing pool. So relaxing. There's even a bar. Afternoon cocktails are served daily, which is awesome. The pool is very comfortable, and the entire grounds are just so relaxing and inviting. Up on the upper level, you have a sun deck that's available for nude sunbathing. For those not wanting to take home a tan line, there are 2 of these decks overlooking the main pool area. And this beverage station is available to you throughout the day with coffee. You can even get yourself hot water and ice cold water that's filtered through a beautiful little machine right next to the pool. Very convenient. They even offer you menus if you want to order takeout food. Overall, it's just a great place to relax, but don't forget, it rains a lot in South Florida, so be prepared, but the sun will come out shortly. You can even rent bikes right here on property. It's a great way to get around the island, and as you can see, the grounds are absolutely beautiful. Overall, we had an amazing stay at Alexander's, and we cannot wait to stay there again on our next trip to Key West. And as we always say, happiness is a lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.